Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a Binance demo account, full guide. First, sign in and choose the demo or testnet environment in settings to avoid live trades. Next, top up your virtual wallet with demo funds and explore the interface. Adjust leverage conservatively, place small practice orders, and track performance with the Portfolio tab. Treat it like real trading to build habits and reduce costly mistakes. Open the trade screen and pick a market pair to practice entries without real risk. Try both market and limit orders to understand fills and price slippage. Always set a stop loss and take profit to practice risk management discipline. If you test margin or futures, keep leverage low and monitor liquidation prices carefully. Review each trade in your history to learn from winners and losers and refine your plan. After several practice sessions, analyze performance metrics to see what works and what does not. Calculate win rate, average return, and maximum drawdown to assess strategy viability. Keep a simple trading journal with setup, size, risk, and emotion notes to spot recurring mistakes. Iterate on entries and exits based on measurable results, not emotions. Treat demo results as experiments that inform gradual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.